No, she's doing figure eights. Squeeze her forward. Squeeze, squeeze. Squeeze, squeeze. Oh, Dama's like, let's stop. Keep your hands down and don't lean so far back. Get your shoulders back and flat. Easy, cowgirl. She's not a shopping cart. Get your reins the same, Miss Sierra, so you're not doing little circles or you know how you, yeah. Get your reins the same. Your left rein's longer, isn't it? Yeah. Can you make them the same? That's really important. Okay. Squeeze her like I asked you and then use the whip. Thank you. Hands down. Look where you're going. Good girl. Make sure your reins are short enough, Rebecca, that if she trots off, you're not up to your eyeballs with the reins. You just pulled her right in on purpose? Are you doing a figure eight? Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Good girl. I'll put these on YouTube so you guys can see them, okay? So better be looking good, looking sly. Oh, do you want to go right now?
Yes.
Okay.